Huawei is one such brand which is having a great year so far. Well, right from the start when they launched the flagship device that was a Huawei P20 Pro, it had the never seen before triple camera setup on it. Well, following the same lead, they came out with the Nova series, the Nova 3 and the Nova 3i. Well, this week we'll be reviewing the Nova 3i, which again has a dual camera setup on the front as well as on the back. Well, now it has all the top-notch features in a premium design and it's priced at Rs 20,990. Well, we get you the full review of the Nova 3i. Take a look. The Huawei Nova 3i looks premium with a combination of metal frame and glass on the front and the back. But the premium design attracts fingerprints and gets too smudgy. The smartphone features a 6.3 inches Full HD Plus display, which features a 19.5:9 aspect ratio, along with a notch at the top. The screen looks much more immersive with the slim bezels. The screen looks sharp and can also get pretty bright. It can be easily used outdoor on full brightness. It also holds up pretty well with viewing angles. The experience with videos and game seems good, but it's not quite perfect. The Huawei Nova 3i comes powered by the Kirin 710 chipset, packed alongside the ARM Mali G6 GPU, backed by 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It handles basic to moderate tasks with ease. Running applications side by side is no problem. The performance is smooth with only a few minor shutters here and there. Thanks to the 4GB of RAM, multitasking between these applications is also handled well. Playing Asphalt Extreme on the smartphone runs decently well, but with being a little laggy and unresponsive. However, basic games are handled with ease. The Huawei Nova 3i runs on Android 8.1 Oreo, laid with EMUI 8.2 on top of it. The interface isn't exactly heavy, but it does comes loaded with plenty of bloatware in the form of both Huawei and third-party apps and games. For security, Huawei has included both a fingerprint sensor and face unlock, and both works pretty fast. The Huawei Nova 3i comes with a 3340 mAh battery underneath the hood. It's more than enough to last you for a day on a complete charge, with moderate usage of playing games, watching videos and mostly scrolling through social media applications. The device lasts just about a day and a little more on some occasions. The Huawei Nova 3i comes with a dual camera setup on the back as well as on the front. The rear camera setup includes a 16 megapixel sensor paired along with a 2 megapixel sensor, while at the front you get a combination of a 24 megapixel sensor paired with a 2 megapixel sensor. Both secondary cameras are equipped with depth measurement to click portrait images. There is no doubt that the camera performance is one of the key highlights on the Nova 3i. On top of that, the camera also comes with AI enhancement. The camera performance is really good, especially during the day. Images look crisp and carry plenty of details. Delivering both natural and vibrant looking colors. Focusing happens quickly, but under low light situation it can be a little sluggish. Images clicked in portrait mode looked exceptionally good. A big feature of the camera is that it comes equipped with AI enhancement. The Nova 3i takes decent shot under low light condition as well. Surprisingly, the camera still delivers vibrant colors, but images do carry a lot of noise. With decent lighting around, Selfie comes out looking great. There is a good amount of detail and skin tone looks natural as well. There is no doubt that the Huawei Nova 3i is a great smartphone for the price of Rs 20,990. The smartphone offers premium features in a premium package. The only thing that keeps it from being compared to a flagship smartphone is its performance for the price. It's not bad, as it can handle the day-to-day tasks without any problem. But when it comes to intensive gaming, it might not be an ideal choice. It's also a little disappointing to see that the Huawei GPU Turbo technology doesn't help much. The shortcomings in performance are made up by the dual camera setup at the back and the front, which proves to be great for taking pictures in most scenarios. In fact, The Huawei Nova 3i is a worthy contender in the mid-range category. But if you still want more power, then you can also consider its high-end sibling, the Huawei Nova 3, which is priced at Rs 34,999 and comes with a higher-end Kirin 970 chipset. Additionally, the Honor Play from the company's own sub-brand is another worthy competitor, offering better performance at the same price.